All right, my fellow real estate agents and realtor members, this video, I'm gonna go over the top 7 things that I feel you really wanna focus on getting completed in your first 30 days of being a real estate agent here at eXp Realty. If that's what you clicked on the video for, and if you're not at eXp Realty, this might work at some other brokers, but it's really focused for eXp Realty agents because we're obsessed with agent success. And if you're not at eXp Realty and you're clicking on this, give me a call, guys. Let's chat about other options so you know everything that's on the table. Let's go. All right, item number 1, we've got to get your onboarding done ASAP. ASAP, ASAP, ASAP. We got to get you plugged into the system. We got to get you onboarded with your local MLS. We got to get you onboarded with your state. Yeah, your state first, and then your local MLS. Then we got to get you onboarded at the company and get that welcome to eXp email sent over. Because as soon as we get that welcome to eXp Realty email sent over, then we can book your call with Kelly, and she's going to go into detail with you on all the different systems that eXp Realty has available, because eXp Realty is obsessed with your success. As soon as you get that welcome email, we're gonna with Kelly, like I just said. I'm not repeating myself, I'm just telling you that's step number 2. And we're also gonna make sure that we activate your KV core. We've gotta activate your KV core because it's gonna become one of essential tools, your CRM, your front-end website, that you're gonna use to attract business and keep track, attract business and keep track of business. So we're gonna activate your KV core right away, and we're gonna meeting with Kelly. Step number 2 is actually in the meeting with Kelly. Step 1, onboarding, so we could book the meeting with Kelly. Step number 2, getting the meeting with Kelly. All right, let's talk about step number 3. Step number 3, pretty easy, guys. We're gonna work on your branding. We're gonna jump into Canva together. We're gonna do a Google Meet or Zoom. We're gonna jump into Canva together, and we're gonna start putting your branding together. We're gonna do things like your Facebook page, things like your Google business page. We're gonna do things like your Twitter account, like your Facebook business page. Did I already say Facebook business page? I could have, but and your YouTube page. We're gonna put all that branding together ASAP, because you're gonna start using your real estate email, your KV core email, your eXp Realty email. We're gonna start using all of this stuff and spreading the good news that you're a real estate agent and you're available to help people with one of the largest transactions in their life. And the step number 3 is we're gonna get that branding in order, guys. Okay, any questions on step number 3? Basically, book a Zoom, book a Google Meet so we can get that going. Does that make sense? All right, like I said at the beginning, if you're an agent watching this and you're not at eXp and you're trying to get some information about this, so if you're an agent and you're curious, hey, how come everyone at eXp is happy? How come they're always spreading and sharing the wealth, sharing the knowledge? It's because eXp Realty is obsessed with your success, guys. If you're not an agent at eXp and you're watching this video and you're curious to learn more about how eXp Realty is obsessed with your success, then guys, give me a call, shoot me an email. Let's book a video conference call so we can talk more about that. I can show you everything that I'm talking about on a simple screen share, so you can be like, oh my gosh, now I see what Josh is talking about, eXp Realty being obsessed with agent success. All right, let's get back into the video. Item number 4, we're gonna join all of the eXp referral groups. All of the eXp referral groups. There's ones for every state. There's ones for international. We're gonna make sure you're definitely on your state's referral groups, and we're gonna set up notifications so that when anyone posts in those referral groups, that you get notified to see if it's a lead that you wanna take on or not. Guys, I've probably received 7 or 8 deals just from the eXp referrals. Just from the eXp referrals, and I've only been here a little under 3 years. That's pretty sweet, you know, 7 to 8 deals over 3 years just from referrals. So that's why we got to get you plugged into the referral groups right away so you can take advantage of that, just like myself and the other agents take advantage of it at eXp Realty. Item number 5, we're gonna book your first open house. Don't be scared. Don't be scared, we're jumping in. This is all happening within just 2-3 weeks. You're gonna book your first open house. And I've got a video down below on how to promote that open house to get tons of social media exposure and get tons of traffic in the open house, that you'll wanna click on that how to properly advertise an open house. Click on that video when we're done with this video, but we've gotta book your first open house ASAP to start putting out to the world more real estate info and showing that you're an expert in real estate who's here to serve the public with all their real estate needs. Item number 6, guys, this is all happening within the first 30 days. We've done items 1 through 5. We've done items 1 through 5, and you're hustling. You're out there doing it. You're an independent contractor. And then item number 6, guys, we're gonna print off your state contracts, and you've gotta read them. You gotta read them every single day. You gotta take notes on them. Get out a red pen, mark them up. You've gotta have that contract, the listing contract and the purchase contract, you need to have them internalized, because if an objection comes up, the contract 9 times out of 10 takes care of any objections. It'll make your life so much easier as a real estate agent. And item number 7, guys, super simple. You're gonna be starting this on day 1 that you're plugged into the system, is show up to all of your state meetings, no matter what state you're in. Show up to all your state meetings, tons of great information there. And then also show up to the Channel Junkies meetings once a week on Tuesdays, and then try to jump into a Honey Badgers meeting. They happen, there's like 4 or 5 Honey Badger meetings a week. Try to jump into at least one of them per week and start getting with real estate agents, getting information from real estate agents, and learning how to hone your trade. You're a salesman, you're a saleswoman, start learning the practice, learning the trade, learning the objection handlers, and you're gonna be totally set up for success. So that's items 1 through 7 on what you should do on your first 30 days as a real estate agent. The whole goal is for you to be successful in doing these 7 things in your first 30 days of becoming a real estate agent is gonna set you up for success. You've got to implement the procedures, you've got to take action, you've got to have real estate conversations, and you've got to close transactions. You're an independent contractor now, you're in a commission-based business, you could be super wealthy doing this, or you could only sell 4 or 5 houses a year and not necessarily accomplish the goals that you want. I want you to accomplish the goals that you want. eXp Realty is obsessed with your success. So give me a call, shoot me a text, send me an email if you're getting ready to be a new agent, or if you're an agent looking at making a transition to eXp Realty. I want to chat with you about how eXp Realty is obsessed with agent success. I'll see you guys on the next video.